និងភ្ញៀវកិត្តិយសទាំងអស់មេត្តាអញ្ជើញចូលកាន់ទីកន្លែងអង្គុយរៀងៗខ្លួនពិធីផ្ទេរតំណែងសហប្រធាននៃកិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិការមេគង្គឡាងឆាងពីប្រជាណាចក្រកម្ពុជាជូនទៅសាធារណរដ្ឋប្រជាធិបតេយ្យប្រជាមានិតឡាវនឹងចាប់ផ្ដើមនាពេលបន្តិចទៀតនេះសូមអរគុណ
Excellency Lokchumtiu, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, please proceed to your seat. The handover ceremony of the Mekong Langchang Cooperation co-chairmanship from the Kingdom of Cambodia to the Lao People Democratic Republic will begin shortly. Thank you.
Excellency, Lokchumtiu, distinguished delegate, ladies and gentlemen, the leaders are now on their ways to this hall. Please rise. Thank you. Thank you very much. Please be seated.
Samdech Techo, Prime Minister, Excellency Lokchumtiu, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, may I please announce the commencement of the handover ceremony of the co-chairmanship of the Mekong Langchang Cooperation from the Kingdom of Cambodia to the Lao People Democratic Republic.
I have the honor to invite Samdech Akek Mahasena Padaidacho Hun Sen, Prime Minister of the Kingdom of Cambodia, co-chair of the second Mekong Langchang Corporation, to deliver his speech. Please, Samdech.
Excellencies Co-Chair, Head of State and Government, Excellencies, ladies and it is an honor for Cambodia and a great privilege for me to co-chair the Mekong Langchang Corporation Leaders Meeting with Excellency Premier of the People's Republic of China during the foundation building period of this regional cooperation. There is an old saying that the beginning is always the hardest. But we have never felt that we are alone in this undertaking. We have always had the unwavering support and partnership from the co-chair. particularly the People Republic of China, with the active engagement and high commitment from the all countries.
ជោគជ័យនៃកិច្ចប្រជុំថ្នាក់ដឹកនាំកិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិការមេគង្គឡានឆាងលើកទី2នេះមិនមែនជាជោគជ័យរបស់កម្ពុជាតែម្នាក់ឯងនោះទេវាគឺជាជោគជ័យរួមរបស់បណ្ដាប្រទេសមេគង្គឡានឆាងក៏ដូចជាជោគជ័យនៃយន្តការកិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិការមេគង្គឡានឆាងទាំងមូលតែម្ដង
of the entire LMC mechanism. I'm pleased to hand over the position and duty as the co-chairmanship of the LMC to His Excellency Thongloun Sisoulith, Prime Minister of the People Republic of the Lao PDR.
ក្នុងនាមជាប្រទេសនៅតាមដងទន្លេមេគង្គយើងបានសម្រេចចិត្តប្រើចរវាទូកជានិមិត្តរូបនៃសហប្រធាននៃកិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិការមេគង្គឡានឆាងគ្រប់ប្រទេសនិងប្រជាពលរដ្ឋនៅតាមដងទន្លេមេគង្គប្រើប្រាស់ចរវានេះដូចគ្នាចរវាគឺជានិមិត្តរូបនៃការបដិញ្ញាចិត្តរបស់យើងដើម្បីធ្វើដំណើរឆ្ពោះទៅមុខតាមបណ្ដោយដងទន្លេមេគង្គដោយប្រើចរវានេះដើម្បីអុំទូកនៃកិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិការមេគង្គឡានឆាងឲ្យមានដំណើរទៅមុខកាន់តែលឿនខ្លាំងថែមទៀតជាថ្មីម្ដងទៀតខ្ញុំសូមសម្ដែងការកោតសរសើរដោយស្មោះដល់មិត្តចិននិងបណ្ដាប្រទេសនៅតាមដងទន្លេមេគង្គទាំងអស់ដែលបានគាំទ្រយ៉ាងពេញទំហឹងចំពោះកម្ពុជាក្នុងនាមជាភាពជាសហប្រធាននៃកិច្ចប្រជុំនេះក្នុងគណៈដែលអាណត្តិរបស់កម្ពុជាបានខិតជិតចូលដល់ទីបញ្ចប់ខ្ញុំសូមបញ្ជាក់សារជាថ្មីម្ដងទៀតពីការគាំទ្រយ៉ាងរឹងមាំនិងពេញទំហឹងរបស់កម្ពុជាចំពោះសាធារណរដ្ឋប្រជាធិបតេយ្យប្រជាមានិតឡាវដែលជាសហប្រធានបន្តក្នុងកិច្ចខិតខំប្រឹងប្រែងសម្ដៅសម្រេចបាននៅភាពជោគជ័យធំជាបន្តទៀតសម្រាប់កិច្ចសហប្រតិបត្តិការមេគង្គឡានឆាងរបស់យើងឥឡូវនេះខ្ញុំសូមអញ្ជើញឲ្យអាដាមថងលុនស៊ីសលឹកឡើងមកទទួលតំណែងថ្មីនេះបន្តពីកម្ពុជា
May I please invite His Excellency Mr. Thongloun Sisoulith, Prime Minister of the Lao People Democratic Republic, to receive a symbolic pedal of the co-chairmanship of Mekong Langchang Cooperation from Samdech Techo, Prime Minister. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. May I now invite His Excellency Mr. Thongloun Sisoulith, incoming co-chair of the second Mekong Langchang Cooperation, to deliver his acceptance speech. Please, Excellency.
พนักงานประธานห่วมพนักงานผู้นำบรรดาประเทศแม่น้ำคลองแม่น้ำลานสางท่านยิ่งและท่านทรายที่ฮักแพงทั้งหลายก่อนอื่นข้าพเจ้าขอสมเสยผลสำเร็จอันจบงามของกองประชุมผู้นำบรรดาประเทศแม่น้ำคลองแม่น้ำลานสางซึ่งนำโดยพนักงานสมเด็จนายกรัฐมนตรีเตโช ฮุนเซนและประธานนายกรัฐมนตรีลีเกอเจียงแห่งสป.จีน สปป.ลาวรู้สึกภาคภูมิใจเป็นอย่างยิ่งที่ได้รับเกียรติให้เป็นประธานร่วมกับสป.จีน ต่อจากราชอาณาจักรกัมพูชีสำหรับกอบการห่วมมือแม่น้ำคลองแม่น้ำลานสากสำหรับศกปี 2018-2019 ขอขอบใจกัมพูชีที่ได้ร่วมกับสปจีนได้วางพื้นฐานอันหนักแน่น ให้แก่การร่วมมือของพวกเขาในระยะที่ผ่านมาข้าพเจ้าขอให้คำมั่นสัญญาว่าความว่าสัญญาก็คือ promise กับเจ้าคือว่าภาษากัมพูชีภาษาไทยภาษาลาวก็คือกันจะสืบต่อพัวพันหัวมืออย่างใกล้ชิดกับบรรดาประเทศสมาชิกแม่น้ำคลองแม่น้ำลานสากเพื่อประกอบส่วนอย่างตั้งหน้าเข้าในการพันขยายบรรดาโครงการและแผนปฏิบัติงานหาปี 2018-2022 และคำตกลงต่างๆของกองประชุมผู้นำกอบการหัวมือแม่น้ำคลองแม่น้ำลานสากให้ก้าวสู่ล่วงลึกและเติบใหญ่ขยายตัวอย่างบ่หยุดยั้งและนำผลประโยชน์อันแท้จริงมาสู่ประชาชนของพวกเฮาดังหัวข้อของกองประชุมผู้นำครั้งนี้ว่าแม่น้ำแห่งสันติภาพของพวกเฮาและการพัฒนาแบบยืนยงข้าพเจ้าหวังอย่างยิ่งว่าบรรดาทานจะสืบต่อให้การหัวมือและการสนับสนุนสวยเหลือสปป.ลาวในการปฏิบัติหน้าที่อันสำคัญนี้ในฐานะเป็นประธานห่วมให้ประสบผลสำเร็จอย่างจบงามและได้ตามระดับขาดหมายสุดท้ายนี้ข้าพเจ้าขอตั้งนาให้แก่รัฐบาลและประชาชนลาวขอแสดงความปิติยินดีรับเอาการเป็นประธานร่วมกับสาธารณรัฐประชาชนจีนสำหรับกอบการร่วมมือแม่น้ำคลองแม่น้ำลานสากนับแต่เวลานี้เป็นต้นไปหวังอย่างยิ่งว่าพวกเฮาจะได้พบกันอีกใน2 ปีข้างหน้าอยู่สปป.ลาวขอขอบใจ
Thank you so much, His Excellency, for your meaningful speech. Samdech Excellency, Lok Chum Tieu, distinguished delegates, ladies and gentlemen, the handover ceremony of the co-chairmanship of Mekong Langchang Corporation has come to an end. May I request the audience to remain at your seat until the leader have left the hall. Thank you for your cooperation and attention.
Excellency, លោកជំទាវ distinguished delegates